Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to search, filter and favorite recipes on your Monsieur Cuisine Smart. To do it, in the recipes you can just find recipes by either just scrolling through and finding something that you would like to make. For example, the mashed potatoes. Then I could favorite it by clicking on the heart icon. I could also favorite a recipe from the main screen by clicking on this little tiny heart. You could search for recipes. Oh, I did not want a bee, I wanted a bread. Let's search for it. Then as you can see, it shows me different things. For example, a bread ring, and I could favorite it or just open it and then start cooking, or create my own favorites list and name it bread, for example. Create it, and then I could select bread to save it in the bread list. Later I'll show you how to see or favorite it. Recipes. You could also filter them by clicking on filter and seeing the ingredients that you want to use. Yeah, for example, potatoes. Then categories can be set right here. And nutrition, calorie value can be set, the proteins can be set, the time of preparation can be set, the difficulty level, and whether you want the Monsieur Cuisine official recipes or community recipes. Then you'll find the minimum rating of a recipe to filter it that way, or find a video recipe if you'd like to see a video recipe. Then let's see where are the favorites. So if I click on the three lines in the top right corner, I can go to favorites and I can see all of my favorites. So these are just everything that I have favorited. I could also see my lists, like the bread list, and I would have everything that I added to the list right here. And there are also collections. So if you find collections in the, like for example, desserts, I can click on view all, and no, sorry, I'd want a collection. Yeah, collections are here at the top. And these are just sets of recipes pre-made by Monsieur Cuisine. Like for example, this summer baking, light cakes and fruity baking ideas, and I could save the whole collection. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.